Thing gone mad.
Well, people, I don't know.
Look how they destroying Trinidad. Tax people money only wasting, and the poor people just. Politician are we going mad? Look how they destroying Trinidad. Politician are we going mad? Look how they thieving out Trinidad. Tax people money only wasting, and the government talk about winning. Politician are we going mad? Look how they destroying Trinidad. Tax people money only wasting.
Pleasant good night to everyone, man. Pleasant good night, man.
Hey. I miss the fake oil race, kidnapping, murder. Get out the face, no roads, no water. The golf course booming, but the pitch lake missing. 1% media pushing an agenda. Fail state company paying salary. Gas going up when we hard sector. Rich in birth, laughing at we. No riot yet. Yes, we should be the biggest budget in history. But they say that the treasury empty. Who thief more from all are we? The PNM or the UNC? Keep the faith and time will tell. No more racial voting, let them burn in hell. Things matter. Look how they destroying Trinidad. Politician, are we going mad? Look how they thieving out Trinidad. Tax people money on the waste, and the government talk about winning. Politician, are we going mad? Look how they thieving out Trinidad.
People are coming out about the fakes in this country.
Gone with all we money. No one get charged. Minister too busy. If they're not romping, you know they roaming. Females reporter, you know they buying. Hard working PNM minister playing with himself on camera. That is why no work can't be done. Where is the heritage children's life fund? Kamla bill, a low income house, $1 million each. What a loss. New road bill, mash up already. Cause 2 contracts to friends and family. The system was designed by decent parliament to protect each other from getting judgment. No one get charged, no matter how they steal. Divide us by race, that is the deal. Things mad, look how the thieving out Trinidad. Politician, are we going mad? Look how they destroying Trinidad. Tax people money anyway, and the government talk about winning. Politician, are we going mad? Look how they thieving out Trinidad. Hey, Liquor 2, Jumbie, Bridgeman Ferry, Sandal scandal, corruption, secrecy. Maxi get taxpayers' money, foreign health bill you see. Now tell me, Mr. Rowley, what about the poor in the country? Tourism debt, housing failure, healthcare don't care, education disaster. Agriculture minister planting nothing, culture ministry discriminating, national insecurity, justice system killing we. 1% benefit from criminality. Kamla Keat, same party. Shit, every year is a shit slavery. When you open up your eyes,
they make fakes in this country.
Look how the thieving.
All of them fakes in this country. And the people love to follow fake. All they love good man. And all they love fake in this country. And I God love jam all of you. It's not because the people forget. It's the people to blame. Not God, not Rowley, not Kamla, not nobody. But the people to blame in this country. Blaming Rowley, it's people to blame. I like no. Stop blaming people. Tonight, Trinidad and Tobago, tonight topic, I started it one time in the music. One time in the music.
First of all, I want to thank to God. That God, thank to you that I don't have to depend on human beings. Thanks to you, God, that you provide for me. You provide jobs for me. You provide work for me so I could work. And I could burn people IOD. Right? People who looking for handouts. Men like Dave Baba and them Son Granger. Right? Fellas who looking for handout. Fellas who want to beg. Fellas who want to reach nowhere and work no way. Right? Tonight I come to preach to all you to show all about the topic. Trinidad and Tobago, I want to let you know something. Mr. Ian Allen, I hear you talking about Rowley and Rowley and Rowley and Rowley. Could you do better? Could people, what better Ian Allen could do for this country? What? Bring frickin' Kamala back here? Ola answer the question. It have nobody more fake than them, boy. It have nobody more fake than them. Cause them out there, boy. Them know all the crook, boy. Them know all the police. You realize that Ian Allen don't talk about police? Because he need the police to back him with his shit. A man have a gun on a program and you is a big crime watchman and the commissioner of police allowing you to be out there with a gun on your program, but you don't give a damn about all the boy. Everything is about Keith Rowley, Keith Rowley. Keith Rowley is not the problem in this country, boy. It's the people that is the problem, boy. And if you is the voice of the people, you is not the voice of God. The voice of the people is not the voice of God. And it's a caca holes in Facebook, caca hole in the universe, caca hole in the country. Rock and come in, brother. Rock and come in. Tonight I want to let all them know why Jesus Christ turned around and he said, follow me for. All the pundit, pastor, let me tell you, pundit, pastor, they have no power. That same pundit go sign. He had no fucking power, boy. I watching all of them good, boy. Them go to the food, who they want the food. All them pundit is shit snake. They believe in books. They have no power, boy. They have no power. Pundit go sign, pundit low sign, pundit this one, Baba Steve, Barbara Eve, Baba Upso, all in a waste of time and a fake in the country. And in the whole world, the God together. Pundit go sign, you know all the book, you know all kind of thing. And it have nobody could come and say today that Pundit go sign do so and so. So I don't give a damn about all the boy. All you only have names and no books and no praise for nothing. No freaking power behind all you. Waste of time. The God manifested in there. You know what again vexed up? Ian Rackman for the fakes in the country. And the time people support the fakes, boy. They all in for the fakes. I watch them because them is fake too. They have a sort of fake in this country. And they come out and they playing good. They playing nice. And they playing all how. Hey, when I tell you they're coming out in white clothing, boy. Fakes. Only be careful of them out there, boy. Be careful of them. They go come, they go eat with you, drink with you, move with you, rock with you, and they fake. Ian, brother, I know GG. They buy all of them in one. They buy all of them in one. I don't know temple, brother. I begging anybody to come in my temple? Mr. Sonson Granger, the one who are called Jesus Christ. The reason why you go question all this, because you can't get nothing from me and you can't be around me. The same mic with the fish, where you see me my father and sell fish, is the same mic you come back and record from. And I don't want you around me. Right? Anybody meet you anywhere, we go see who better than who. I just know you. Because you are waste of time, waste break, waste with your mother, waste with all you. All is a waste of time. You, your mother, your sister, all you. That's why you have to keep telling me, shall I take crack? Shall I take crack and the man paying the rent? It look like you are not with a crack in your bottom to help pay the rent. I come for you tonight. Mr. Ragu.
Spilling money like water coming down the Caribbean. It's not making sense, Shanad. All your ain't riot yet. The CMO telling the same people that rotation.
Alright, you're asking somebody to fucking riot. When they were down in Tong and they rioting with the Bulaman and them, where you was? Where start call you and tell you how you is a fake? When the next Bulaman tell you, Kia, you is a fake. And you encourage people to riot. But you know what this big stink mother cunt fake on Facebook, boy? Watch that mother's cunt, boy. He is a waste of time, boy. This mother's cunt here, watch here. Watch this man. This man coming out and fooling all in the country. And guess what? It only fucking stupid woman he fooling. Only them stupid caca woman and them. Weak woman. Woman out there who like to be complimented. A woman out there who can't take jamming. Y'all run. Woman out there who can't be real, who you can't talk real to, who you can't tell she, hey, you look nice today. You can't tell she, hey, how you move and you dress up there, you look good. A woman who you can come out and talk plain to,
they had to go by Winston Rago. They can't come by fucking me. They by all the women and them who come at me and jam them and they run them by the fake. Hear ye?
Of public service workers are the reason why the country went on lockdown. Because all offices, public sectors, not private, public sectors.
Why you talk about lockdown when you say you're putting your head on a block camera going win election and you that fucking seer man, you that tarot card man, you that fucking all of this man is a fake in the country, boy. All they still sharing this man fucking video, all they still supporting Trinidad and Tobago, all they feel the blood, boy. All they feel the blood, boy. Trinidad, all they supporting fakes, boy. The God manifested in me 2 years, 3 years now, and one in this country. Fuck all you who want to listen, by. Feel the fucking blunt now. That is meaning a revelation. People going and suffer in the country. People going and get hungry in the country. I laying you know riot going and start. Not for fucking politics, riot going and start for food, by. For food, by. If you know, I predicting that. I predicting the earthquake. I predicting the hurricane coming. Your big stink waste of time. You fooling Trinidad with the buck. You are better than the fucking CMO. You looking as like he fucking brother. You, the buck and CMO is fucking one. Eh? He, the buck and the CMO is fucking brothers. Look how they looking. He looking like buck fucking one. The next one looking like cock. And the next one looking like a fucking truck. That way them looking like. This fucking man is the biggest fucking fake on Facebook. Fucking imposter on Facebook you could ever see is this mother cunt man here. This fucking Winston Rago. And the public that support this man and the public that doing all these things. All you and all to is fucking cacaholes. Because all you like fake in the country. I realize that. All you like Bullaman by Trinidad and Tobago people. All you like Bullaman in the country. All you like sodomites. All you like nastiness. All you like incest. Asha Samaru, share the video, Uncle Bolia. Asha Samaru, Koshimora, share the video. We love it. When Asha saw the Koshimora, Asha's daughter saw the Koshi, share the video, we love it. They be all fucking encouraging in this fucking Facebook in the back here. They be all encouraging Facebook people and the caca-holes and them who are talking about. Because me don't want nothing from nobody. I don't want nobody share my video. I don't want no support from nobody who feel I want support from. Let the gods and them guide all the way. My altar have money in it still and leave it right there. Like the gods them own. Watch again.
We're causing community spread and coronavirus and cluster. So how they ask the CMO could tell you to go back out Monday morning 100% back into the public service? Something not making sense.
You know why making sense? Your fucking brain caca hole. The fucking card where you're cutting. And you're cutting it right. You know why? You're bullying fucking Philip Edward Alexander fucking wife good. You understand? Watch how you're fucking looking. Yes, how you're looking. I don't realize what's going on with you, boy. It's fucking pressure in your mother account, boy. You're looking for money to pay for your boat, boy. You're looking for money to pay a bill, boy. You're looking to con people at your fucking boat and all them things you're doing, boy. You could fool me. You could fool. Come around fucking me now. Let me rest a song in your mother account. Come around me now. I hate fucking fakes, boy. I hate them fakes and them in the country, boy. I hate to see when people fooling people, boy. I hate to see when Gary Griffith, Rowley, Kamla, Barry Parallax, and all of them mother cunt in the country doing what they're doing, boy. I hate to see that, boy. This is the biggest fucking fake I ever see in this country, this mother cunt here.
Yes, you don't realize that up here had to be working. Because everybody getting screwed.
People asking. People asking about you. You don't have to afraid you anything. What you want to say about fucking he?
People ask you?
They're asking about what you want to say about he.
Who?
This mother cunt.
But he's a fucking waste of time, boy.
Why you say that?
Say that?
Why? Give me the facts, why?
Because I want to tell you something. You see for the election going on what now?
Yeah.
Who it is he was only talking about?
Rowley.
Right. Why the fuck he didn't talk about what UNC did? When they now come in power.
Yeah.
Why it didn't talk about Rishi Ramnarai? Why the fuck he didn't talk about the fire truck, about million they pick to take it out? Why he didn't talk about them fucking things?
But he get money from that too.
Let me tell you something. You see that fella? That fella, he business fix. You hear? He business fix.
With the caca holes on them.
Right, because the point of the fact is, he was thinking that UNC would have come back in power for he to get fucking contract again. Yes.
You understand?
What's a contract? Wait.
But he talking about PNM and he put it here on a fucking block.
Well, Ian and then wholly talking about Rowley and cussing Rowley. Oh, Rowley this and Rowley that and Rowley this and Rowley this. But you can do better than Rowley, boy. Jesus Christ come in the earth and fail. He never bring peace. I say he fail, but he failed to bring peace on the earth. Who the fuck is you, cry much? Who is you? Who the fuck is that big stink mother cunt here? Tonight I vex tonight,
Waste of fucking time, he business fixed.
Here we fucking talking.
I fucking dumb. I said that asshole.
Stupid people, boy. Oh, people so stupid in this country, boy. The fucking blind leading the blind, boy.
He's a fucking lick bottom UNC man, boy. That fucking waste of time.
And the country like a cunt. They got the country with fucking Kamala. The next big stink Martian one. Kamala. The next one. I don't give a damn about politics, boy. I don't want to hear about politics. It's all the way how the country it is today. And these fuckers them back in Kamala. The next one back in the Bulaman. You're a fucking stink Bulaman, boy. You're a Bulaman back and a back of a Bulaman. That way it is. You're a Bulaman back and a back of a fucking Bulaman. You stink Winston Ragu. You're nasty. You're a Bulaman. That way it is.
Friend from London and all doctors telling me.
Fuck it, telling me about Keith Rowley and Keith Rowley.
The same jackass that sits in front of TV and tell you all that only coronavirus is being spread in workplace. How the mother you can send back.
Alright, you remember the time when Winston Ragu used to talk about canalness? Now we talking about mother something now.
Hey,
why
it is he and he follow up? Why it is he don't organize a fucking riot or march? Why he don't do that?
He afraid to fucking do that. When he went on the Bulaman run him, Kia run him and Sack fucking run him. He ting up with them and promise them fucking money and they give them money and they jam the Bulaman. They jam your mother cunt.
Write a next song about he.
But he can get a fucking night. Why is it going along your gate tonight? Play up with your mother cunt. You better fucking know where you take your mother cunt time enough. Because Keith Rowley and fucking Terence Yalsing and DMO and Gary Griffith and all our mother cunt them the country like it. Or you take fucking bull. Or you like that. Because let me tell you something. You need fucking and shit. That's what this fella for.
The 100% of workers. You all see this not making sense. You all understand, Cindy? You all understand why this not making sense? I mean, Sherilyn, tell me if I talking shit of it not really adding up. So you ain't doing no check. You ain't doing no numbers. You ain't doing no testing. We have 100 persons dead today.
Trinidad and Tobago, fucking months ago, I warned this country about coronavirus. What the fuck this mother can't talk and see a man and call himself for? What he now talking this years and months ago I talk them thing by. Them fellas late by. Ian and only late by. Always late with this coronavirus, boy. Always shit on, boy. Always from the sell of the program, boy. You, Ian Allen, your platform is about Rowley. Start your fucking program. Rowley this, Rowley that. CMO this, CMO that. You are better than fucking them. Who you want to bring, Kamala? Fucking Doom, man. You want to bring your man, want to bring a Doom here? Who the fuck is? People who support that mother cunt Ian Allen and support what the fuck he doing with Kamala and Kamala. All this. Always gays. Always gays in the country. UNC is a freaking gays place. Lesbian and Bulaman. It's a blight in the country, that way it is. Right? I come to deal with them tonight. All you go see. Feel like afraid. You all feel like afraid to dead for God or what? All you feel like afraid to dead for God? I in front of God will talk the truth any day, anytime. Me a hide. No. I don't deal with Ragu. God turn around your life. Tonight I come to preach some things tonight. Why that vex right too? Ian, you say when you have money, everybody good. Tonight on the Ian program, Ian say when you have money, you could look good and you could eat good. But all you render all you had some money, boy. That's why I come to preach tonight, boy. I come to preach it earlier. Stop getting all your value in money, boy. When a man have money, then you value him. Then he has something. You value a man by way he have and the worth he have. All the people stop doing that in the country. All they bringing no respect for God, boy. All you helping God, boy. Right?
Watch. Let me tell you something about that fucking stick, man. You listening there? It's that time he come up on the program. And you know what he said? Again, I have a small show, you know. No, I have a big show. That's what he's saying. The only big show I know is the fucking wrestler. The big show. So you have big show then.
No, well, then here, at another time, he come just run out. And say, anybody doing any live, when I come out here, I the boss,
Yeah.
So he trying to say, I can't do a live.
No.
This one can't do a live. If this one do a live, it's a problem. Me alone must do a live.
Again. And next time he come out and he say, watch me, he very popular. He very popular. It is alleged when he went to Dubai in this fucking gay party, and then people in Dubai watch him, and when he reached the boy, and you know what they tell him? They say, hey, look, he very cockula. They say he very cockula. Not popular, cockula. That stinking fucker like he. You start again, watch me. Then he hold his jackass, I know, making his son come out on thing and say, Rowley can run the country, and Rowley, you make your son come out and tell him, the Prime Minister, that he can run the country, and then you say, that is enough, that he cannot fucking disrespect.
You can run Crime Watch, right? You can run Crime Watch. You that shit on, you that fake watch.
You know what I want to say again? I want to wish Dr. Keith Christopher Rowley a belated happy birthday. He turned 71 yesterday.
Keith Rowley is a fuck up man. Happy birthday still. Keith Rowley. Christopher, Dr. Christopher Keith Rowley.
Yeah.
I don't care. Let God judge you. In my heart, I know you're fucking wicked sometimes. But I still wish you happy birthday, brother. I still wish you happy birthday.
Happy belated birthday, boy. The man turned 71, boy.
Nice, babe. Amen. If God allow Keith Rowley to reach 71 years, who is I to cuss it?
Can't cuss that, boy.
Eh?
Can't cuss.
If God allow Ian Allen, Kamlan, all the who vex with Keith Rowley, God allow Keith Rowley to reach 71 years, who is all to cuss that? All you too nasty in this country, crab in a barrel. Like all you going so. Like Ian Allen so, Alexander so, this one so, that one down the road so, this one up the road so, Fasan Backyard so, this one so. It's crab in a barrel. Where all you only want power and money. Where all you fighting so for this country.
What it is by Monroe say, boy? Two things in the world. What it is?
Money or God.
Money or God. That's what he say.
No.
And these fuckers and them is only money. Wilson Ragu, he's the next one. He money is he God. Ian Allen God is he gun, he bulletproof vest, and he fucking money. That he God. You hear? You stink fucker like you. You think I like fucking you or what? I don't like you, boy. You're a waste of fucking time. You're too fucking. You could tell anybody what it is you want. And if anybody oppose you, you want to come at them, come at fucking me. Let me jam your mother cunt. Come at fucking me. You waste of fucking time. Use the Elton John of fucking Trinidad and Tobago. You stink fucker like you. That's what you is. You and all your generation. When God destroyed 2 cities, Sodom and Gomorrah, your ancestors was fucking there. You big stink waste of fucking time. Come now. Come.
Nice.
Put the weapon up there. Show them the weapon.
Jai Makali makes you live in Jesus Christ.
That's the weapon.
Let me show you this next thing again too. Mr. Ian, you're late. And the people in this country love Bullaman and they love fakes. That's why all you have to fucking go through all the good and I'm cussing tonight. I'm cussing tonight. Tonight I am very vexed. It's the nastiness going on in the country and Dr. Keith Rowley and all you. That's why it's going so because people think you're doing good. And they go always things on the whole country seeing what's going on by. Ian Allen, you can do better. All you come to do talk about Kamla. And the fucking country. All you getting me vex in this country by. All you support fakes in this country and Bullaman by. All you are not for God. Tonight I come to preach all you and teach all you what's going on here. Wait again. Any of God books, any of God holy books ever say that a minister was a Bullaman? Did any of God holy books, Quran, Bhagavad Gita, any woman in that mentioned in the book, there was ever a Bullaman? You ever hear that, right? Any religious book say, well, a Bullaman was the leader? Oh, all you know who all you following, Bullaman, faggots, and gays, and lesbian, can be leaders, boy. True leaders don't make clones, boy. True leaders don't make clones, by. True leaders release people from being themselves. True leaders let God reveal himself through people being themselves.
Earlier, tonight is a different night, you know. You can learn from people, but don't become them. Tonight, I am come to talk about originality and stop being copycat and stop following fakes and stop trying to be people and be yourself. So tonight's topic, let me finish it out now. If we put all who talking and cussing Keith Rowley and jamming this one and jamming that one, if we put them to run this country, will you feel what happen? All their mouth will go in the cacao.
This fucking country gone upside down.
But then they know when they reach behind parliament, when all they reach behind prime minister, and all they reach in that office, then all they gonna know where it is by. I not real, I not fake. I not fake, point up my heart fake. So the people that them out there, all you have to feel. You know what make me Mr. Cacao? You know what make me so? When people hear my voice, boy. When people hear the voice, brother. That's how them getting on so. You're sure right. When I see two people telling people in their life, David, Sharon, Bulaman, David, you're sure right too. You're sure right. It's evilness in this country. Right? They can't take it, Trinidad. They can't take what I'm preaching. Now I come back again now. Hold on, wait. Watch what happened in Bruce Almighty. Now, somebody say that you know where it is to have a Benz and have a car and you have no food. Somebody say it is better to cry in a Benz than to cry on a bicycle. Don't forget the Pope, the Bulla. Them is the original Bulla man them. The Christians in the most corrupted religion I ever see in this land is Christian. Because it have one Jesus Christ and look how my bodies are Christians have. And they're telling you their religion is the only way. Answer me. Nasty Christians out there, I hear all there. Yeah? And all saying all is the only way. And there's only one Jesus Christ and 7 different bodies of Christians always fighting for the one Jesus Christ. Shit, snakes always, boy. Ian, your heart hurt you when you're seeing people suffering and going through. It go hurt you more again. It's going to hurt you more because more suffering coming again.
It's not the heart hurt you, that? It's the ass will hurt him, not the heart.
What about the Venice them dead in the boat and they drunk in the boat? Your heart didn't hurt you for that. All about all yourself, boy. All out to come to sell all the program, boy. And all will always make all the program a priority about Keith Rowley.
He ain't even know what part of your body you
All
have.
will always make all the program a priority about Keith Rowley. And you can't come and be talking about Keith Rowley and you backing up that big stink witch. The nasty Madam Kamla. The stink Kamla, you come and you backing up. Will you feel she could do better? Public out there, public who out there, and them stupid Indian and them yellow caca holes on them. All you feel Kamala can do good in this country? All you go and ask God why she lost. Ask all yourself the question why Kamala lost election. Ask God. Say God, why the Venezuelan dead in the boat? Why you allow Kamala to lose election? Don't question Keith Rowley. Don't cuss and ball out this and ball that and robbery and election rig. So all the 11 election you have all of them rigged.
Watch, I could answer one question. Why Kamala lost election? You know what?
Why?
Because if Kamala didn't win election, you know, Ian Allen would have been commissioner of police. That is one. So God
and the Sousa, she will have be the Sousa and Barry Parallax.
Yeah.
They will have bring up a new law that boys could turn to girl and girl could turn to boy. That way they will bring in this country.
Right. But that is why Ian Allen was running down fucking UNC.
That is why you turn around and say that the gods and them see that when you see they spend all the money and Kamala says she gone with the election. Millions they spend millions so all the contractors them pump money for Kamala.
I want to tell you.
But you can get wood by it's wood all the different corners by. We really don't know what's going on with them. We already know because the gods them tell me, but the big shitong Ragu, big stink Ragu. The man who they call psychic, tarot card man, put the hell on a block for Kamala go win. Where you there? You're still on Facebook talking up in your ass. Philip Edward Alexander, if he lost election and he here win a seat, he will resign from the party. You're still on Facebook. All you can't do without Facebook, boy. Facebook hook all you for videos, boy. Facebook hook all you to go out every day and look for viewers, boy. All you can't do without, all you can't sit down and move on in this life without being on Facebook and getting a viewer and tell you, yeah, boy, you're correct. Yeah, boy, you're talking good. Like, all the how you like cacao out there. All you feel anybody on the Facebook here telling me you're doing good, you're talking the truth. I don't give a damn about nobody comment by. I doing what I'm doing with or without anybody comment, without anybody support, without once I breathe, I doing what I'm doing by. Now, people, hear this one now. Pundit, pastors, waste of time. God assign who he want to assign for this work. So pastors and pundit, all you're going to have a church, all you're going to have choirs, all you're going to have people, all you're going to have a loud crowd. Now, when God calls on you, God looking for you, he don't call your mother, he don't call your father, he don't call your friend, he don't call your sister, he don't call your brother, he call you. So the people that locked on here today, the fake everywhere, I come to stop all you. The fake everywhere, I come to stop all you. When you see God is calling and God calls on you or he's looking for you, run away from your sin. Run away. Some of all you can't stand up and listen, run away. Go by the Obia man. Go. No. Why I say that for people? Because you see when God called me, I always tell you, he don't want to see your mother, he don't want to see your father, he don't want to see your brother, he don't want to see your best friend. When he called we, he calling you, whosoever it is on his Facebook. When God call unto you, he call unto you. You have to answer. You can't call your mother, you can't call your friend, nobody. When that time reach, it's you have to answer it, Trinidad and Tobago. When people pray to God, God tell me and I figure out that he might be watching like if somebody quarreling. He might be watching on a shaky head so. He shaky head so because he know that all they're coming for, God I want a house, God I want some money, God I want this, God I want that, God I want this, God I want that. Everything that you're asking God for, he give weight. Every single thing that you're crying and you're asking God for, he give weight. Now let me tell you why. I want to start by telling people, or me, you, and whose it goes to. We are created original. We are not created to be copycats. Ring the bell for that. When we are created, we are not created to be no copycat. We are created to be original. I know what God wants. When God created you, or he created me, I don't already know where God made. He made kings and queens by. He called me a masterpiece by. When God calls on you, people I want to let you know he call on you. God don't want nobody to mimic nobody. God don't want nobody to follow nobody. Like a big singer, like a footballer, like a big actor. God wants you to be yourself. He don't want you to follow no singer. He don't want you to follow no John Cena. He don't want you to follow no Bruce Lee. You understand? God wants you to be yourself. And only every leaf of every tree is one. Because when Peter, Jesus asked Simon Peter, he said, whom do people say I am? He said, some say you is John the Baptist, some say you is the reincarnation of Isaiah. He said, wait. Whom do you say I am? Say I am. He watched up so. He said, you is God Messiah. He said, behold, flesh and blood will reveal that to you, but my Father in heaven. He turned around and he said, every leaf on every tree is different, Trinidad and Tobago. Every one are we created different by. Every one are we created different by, Trinidad and Tobago. Every one are, oh by God so powerful that I'm telling all you, we only want to mimic people. We only want to be somebody. We only want to follow. We only want to be copycats. Who want to be leaders? You learn from others. You don't follow them. You don't follow them by and be like them. You learn from them and be your own self. True leaders don't make clones by. True leaders don't make clones. True leaders release people to be themselves. True leaders inspire people to manifest their potential. That's what true leaders do by. True leaders learn from people, but don't become them. They learn from them, but they become them. True leaders get joy when one can be themselves. A true leader get joy in his heart, and he get joy when he can teach somebody to become themselves. Jesus said to his disciples, he said, follow me. But he didn't say he's going to make you like him. What he say? I like to use Jesus. Jesus said, come follow me. But when he said follow me, he didn't say I'm going to make you like me. He said follow me. I'm going to make you fishers of men. That is what he said. I have it right down here. He said follow me. He didn't say follow me. I'm going to make you like me. He said follow me. I'm going to make you fishers of men. Follow the law of God. You see, when he said follow me, I feel the word when he's saying follow me is commitment, loyalty, faithfulness, stability, love, realness of God, good over evil. That is the follow. That is the follow that Jesus Christ was talking about. When God called for you, he had called for nobody, people. Some people are professional being somebody else. Like a certain friend of mine. He come and he play up in the ass. All you hearing about Vicky Damon? Where you there? Vicky Damon, I hearing you. I hearing you, bro. Everything good with you? You don't know what's going on already, you know? The gods them talking, eh? Right. It has some people professional in being somebody else. They're imposters out there. They will, all the time they're talking normal with you. And a certain person call their phone, their voice change. Hey, good day, how you going? They are imposters out there. That way they're imposters. That's all they good to do. Some people professional in being somebody else. And that way Trinidad and Tobago is. That is what this country is. That is what I realize in people. Nobody don't want to be leaders. All they only want to be followers and bullerman. Followers and nastiness in the country. Followers and robbing people. Followers with money. That's all they want to do. Some people will invest in other people and then invest in their own self. Yeah? How much people spend $100 every year to dress up like people and they have no money? Yeah? They even buy a pair of shoes, they can't afford it. But because everybody had a shoe, they buy it. Yeah? You have to buy it. Why? Why you have to buy it? Everybody love living in a certain area, like a long time. They just say you're living in Roystonia, you're living in Lanch Park, right? St. James, right? Now when you hear them area them now, you want to be like them, you have the money to buy a house, but you're gonna buy.
Maraval.
Right. Then when people like Ravi B and them so, the life them fellas living, the money they're working for is not enough. You call them fakes. Brandon Star, you're talking. Tonight I come to preach about fakes. I come to put these stories about fakes. I come to show the public about fakes, brother. That's why everything I'm preaching on, that's why you can read, you can feel me. That's why you have to come and talk about fakes, talk about the Bolaman clan. That's why all here, all on the right point. Let me go again, amen, man. Right, let me go. Because the woman can't afford the house, she gonna and buy it. Same with a car. Everybody have a BMW. Everybody driving a BMW, but you were one too. You're driving a BMW and you have no food. You know what it is? You're driving a BMW and you have nothing to eat, right? Like I say that. Yeah. There are people, they want to, when they want to be people, and when they want to lie, and they want to be imposters, and they want to live a certain life, you have to do certain things they require. I mean, they're called fakes.
What? For the election goal, when a certain man, the election result didn't come in his way, you know what he do?
he take his fucking boat where he got show off with, and he gone to Tobago.
Yeah.
Gone to Tobago.
He care about nobody. He say
And he
shut
gone on
down.
vacation.
Now, the caca holes in this country,
Jackass,
follow the fakes on them. None of them can help all boy. None of them will help all you. None of them are willing to give their life for the God, not for human being. Eh? I'm not giving my life for no human being. I'm giving my life for God. There is a different loving God and human being. When you love God, it's an extent you all know how to love human being. It is better somebody sit a cry in a Benz and they cry in a bike. Okay, cry in the Benz and remain hungry.
They can cry in a Benz and I remain fucking Ben after them.
Yeah, stop investing in other people to be like them. Stop investing in other people to be like them. Not what you have make you somebody, is who you are. You are somebody without anybody. Let me underline that tonight. I like this word here. You hear that, boy? Hear this mad thing, eh? Yeah, people call me mad. I'm telling the people on Facebook here that you are somebody without anybody. You don't need somebody to make you. You understand that? Eh? You are somebody without anybody. You don't need nobody and you need somebody to make you. We are already somebody. God make we so. You know who you are. People out there, please, I come to let all you know, all you kings and queens. You need to know that. You need to know the value. When you know who you are, you don't need things to give you value. That's what I want all you to know. People, like how Jesus Christ is now. Jesus Christ know who he are, so he take out God. You see, Jesus Christ never even tell nobody that and prove to anybody he is God's son. Look where he born. Where Jesus Christ born in a rock, in a cave. And right now if a man going up in a cave, or where he born.
In a manger.
Right, if right now you know what money they try to take out of petty,
Yeah.
eh? Alright. That way this world reach to today for money, boy. Money. You talk about me, Jesus Christ, and take out a petty in a cave is money. I want to come to let all you know the fakes on them in this world. It's about money. They make this world run number one by money, but not me. I don't give a damn about money. I give a damn about God. Now hear this. When you know who you are, you don't need things to give you value. You give value to things. Now I'm going to give you an example. Let me say now, a king. Or let me use Prince Charles, boy. Prince Charles big, Right. Prince Charles come down in Trinidad.
Not them jackass people who name Charles in Trinidad.
No, here the heights, eh? Prince Charles come down Trinidad and he gone in Ratans. Right? But he's a king. But he gone in a cheap place. When he do so, he see a shoe for $5. Now, here is the example, right? Now, when he see the shoe for $5, when he sit down on his stool, that stool is a cheap stool to try the shoe on. It becomes a royal stool.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you only buy the shoe for $5, it becomes a royal shoe.
Yeah.
Because why? The king give it value.
Yeah.
People at Lockton, right? When you know who you are, you don't need things to give you value. You give things value. So the prince, if you only go in a cheap place and he sit down on a stool, the stool become a royal stool. He put the shoe on his foot, the shoe becomes a royal shoe. Now let me just say that the king buy the shoe and he leave and gone outside. The store manager or the boss go watch to see all who watching. He buy the shoe, run take up the shoe, run inside the office and sit down and study. Why the king didn't buy that shoe? Why? He said, aha, I know why. Put back, take the $5 off and put $500 to the shoe and put it back out there. You know when the king go buy it?
Yeah.
All the listen, the heights are coming from people Trinidad and Tobago. The king going to buy it. Because why? Brains out there.
Alright. Let me just say something. Right? It had this
So a cheap plastic, once the king reach there, everything become royal.
A millionaire, a maharaja, a king, a millionaire from India. Right? He went to England. And when he went to England, he sent one of the person with him to go buy a car dealer. and ask them what is the price for the cars, the Mercedes Benz. And when the man tell him, he said, you can't buy that. You know, you can't pay for that. He go back and he tell the Maharaja, the millionaire and whatnot. You know what the millionaire do? The millionaire walk down by the place. And when the person do so and see him, they put red carpet for him to walk. You know what he do? He buy all. When he decide to sell him, he buy all the Benz and them in England. And he tell them ship it to India. And when they ship it to India, you know what it is he do? He said to pick up fucking garbage with it.
He showed them.
You understand the guys? He said to pick up garbage with the big tanker in England. England call him back. They call him back and tell him. They said, no, please, whatever you want, don't do that with our vehicle. Because what does he do? He make them to know that their vehicle is
garbage.
Pick up garbage.
Heights.
You understand? So that is the kind of heights now, boy.
So people, work for God and get value. And the value that you gain from God, money can't even touch that. I want and correct it right. You don't look for material. No matter show you next thing again. Right? A $200 cloth, a $200 shoe, and a $200 clothes. When you have a royal back, it becomes royal. An old carrot house, if a king goes in that old carrot house, it becomes royal. So when you know who you are, and when you know who you are and where you are affected by the presence. Alright, yes, darling, he see you, you go tell her good night. You see Jesus Christ born in a cave, he born in a street where has 7 houses, but yet still he rocked to the whole world. Jesus know who he was. Jesus never even say he was God. Look where he born. Big money to take pity out of Jesus. When he dead, when Jesus it come like that. When Jesus died, so come on money they making off it right now. Look at money today, the followers them again. Look how much millions they making off a Jesus movie. Look how much millions they making in the Bible. Look how much $1 million they making in pity. They put Jesus Christ white with blue eyes on it. Look how much millions they making. I realize the whole world is fake, by all the heads. People who coming out good and feeling good, and in the whole country are looking good. They fakes, by the God's talking, by. Call me a fake too, but take the words. Take the word and save all the soul, by. Jesus make a donkey get famous. Eh? The man make a donkey get famous. The man make his robes get famous. He walk with a slippers on. He didn't have no Benz and he had a donkey coming with. And what kind of value he had? There were people out there. Let me tell you what people out there is. People out there judging people from their materialistic life. If you have a car and you have a house and you have money and you could every day you have a little change in your pocket, you is a king. People always stop judging people with material things, boy. People out there have money and they have no value, they have no heart, they have no love, and money can't buy that, boy. Money can't buy life, boy. So when they going out there and feeling like they take money and take money down the road and put down this one and take money up the road and rub this one here and do this one wickedness. When the time reach, and I tell you tonight, when God calls and He looking for you, the fake people everywhere, all you gonna have to stop. Because when God calls and He calls and He looking for you, He don't want to hear your mother, He don't want to hear your father, He don't want to hear your brother, He don't want to hear your sister, He don't want to hear your best friend, He don't want to hear your right hand worker. He come for you. And the people who are talking to Lockdown today, all you know where it come from. No one understands where it come from, Trinidad and Tobago. Stop striving on material things to become important. Because we are made kings and queen, people. We are already born king and queen. So stop striving for material things to make you important. Jesus Christ didn't care about material things to make him important. Jesus Christ had to work. He decided what he had to do. What? To become famous, just look for a problem to solve. Look for a problem to solve. And what problem Jesus Christ solved? The first problem, he see fishermen. Where you see them? He just tell them go in a different spot
put the line deeper and go on that side so and throw out so. And I all. And them fellas them catch all the fish. And not yet. The man get him to Jesus Christ get the fellas them. He get them. When he asks them, he say, hey, you is not a normal man. Like the first thing Peter told him and separate Jesus Christ from a natural man to a normal. He said, you is not a normal man, boy. Jesus Christ watch him so. You understand? He separated and Jesus Christ make them fellas them not only they quit the job. People out there and who locked on to Wakaman. I don't know when the world started guess what is going in. I thought plenty of people going to walk this journey with me. When miracles started happen. When I started bring out certain things. When certain people come in and I touch them so and they get cured. When I give them certain things and plagues and pestilence come out here. And wickedness and plagues coming out here. And Wakaman had a piece of stick with the snake for a little watch. With the free help bill. I go have it. I having a snake and a piece of wood. People, plagues and pestilence coming out there. I know. And God, I disciples and them out there. He don't tell me already yet. He don't show me. Many are called, few are chosen. I can't wait for the day to reach. I can't wait to see Trinidad people crying. I'm sorry to say it. I see it in the vision. All they crying. Trinidad all they hungry. Trinidad all they can't even get a fig. All the land them rotten out. No good, no goods. Everything is concrete jungle and it have no food. Check how much what's up. $75. And they caca holes in the country, don't plant now. All they see in the whole world, we didn't have food, and still all they running dumb material things, and all they wouldn't plant the land. You know when all they go find it too late? Jesus Christ and God, they say, too late shall be the cry. It come like this man, now by a van, and the wave come into wet him in the van, he remain in the van and dead. He feel hard to run away and leave that van. Like when you're attached to the world, by me, run away and don't look back. I run in and don't look back. What the ass I have in the back, they don't bother me. To hell with what in the back, me, I looking forward. This world make people feel less when they poor. This nasty system and this nasty world and this nasty freaking government and nasty opposition, nasty Ian Allen, nasty Alexander, nasty all in the radio station, nasty from up to down, all you too nasty. And this world and these nasty people like to make people feel less when they poor. And when they can't have material thing and they can't afford something, or they like to make them feel less. Not me. Not me. I will never make somebody feel less when I know they deserve more, boy. When I know somebody deserves more from my Father above, which is my brother or sister, I will make sure and see all they deserve that, brothers and sisters. So tonight is not what you can get or have, is knowing who you are. Trinidad and Tobago. Tonight's program is not what you can get or what you can have. Not what you could get or have. Let me say it back again. Not with what you could get or have, but is knowing who you are. Trinidad and Tobago, 3/4 of this world, every human being don't even know who it is. That's one of the biggest mankind problem. One of the biggest problem in mankind, because you could go in a store and buy a washing machine. When you come out the store, you're going to get a manual for it. You go and buy a fan. When you come out the store, you get a manual to build the fan. Anything you buy, you get a manual for it. But why sure, even though if you buy it, it have manual for plenty things. But one thing I know they don't have is a manual for this brain. One thing I know they don't have is them thing. Trinidad and Tobago had so much thing to preach today. So much thing to preach. When let's run in here.
Grew up, they came out of the same womb, out of the same mother. They suckled on the same breast. They lived and slept and grew up in the same bedroom. Ate from the same plate and drank from the same cup.
And cussing each other.
Today they don't speak to one another why? Because his wife said and my wife said. The hell with your wife! How does it possibly sit in any sane mind that my brother, the one who I grew up with, I allow a woman to get in between me and him?
human being too nasty.
Father and son that don't talk to one another.
And they kill each other with gun. And I predict
Mates that grew up on the streets, they lived by. Brother, we did Habas together, Khayye. Habas, we were like that in Habas.
Not an activist preaching like me and bringing it like me.
Time within 10 years, I'll take a bullet for him, bro. One drama, one incident, and all hell breaks loose. What happened, Akhi? Where did the hearts go, man? Husband and wife for 10, 15 years. Yeah, we had a divorce. Why? Well, what happened?
I preach all them things before he.
My wife showed me a post once on the internet. A woman was having some troubles with her husband. She's asking for advice. She has 3 kids. I quote, 3 kids, husband and wife. You shared the same bed for years. You ate from the same for years. Brother, how big could your drama be? Brother, we're human beings. Everyone makes mistakes. You're not perfect. I'm not perfect. But why is it that when a drama comes, no. This is unforgivable. Why?
Because human beings, boy, we are egos.
Marriage, kids between one another. She's asking for advice, her husband, whatever he did. So one of the sisters in a nice hijab, mashallah, she writes back to the sister, and I quote, "The hell with him." Wow, man, just like that, the hell with him. Just like that, bro. We forgot all the good times. Just like that, the hell with him.
Yeah. Break up.
What is this, man?
Most same thing with I preach it. Same thing I tell
So
them. No love with family.
He comes to me, yes, my brother, and I get phone calls all the time. Brother, all I want is.
And all you encouraging it in the country.
Quran, I'm not asking for anything more than my.
The more they share Asha, the more they share that family.
I'm not asking for an inch more.
Is the more you encourage family breakups.
His mind, Shaitan is making him think, brother, that's your right, cuz. Doesn't Allah say, look, I love how we quote ayat of Quran that suit my nafs. Doesn't Allah say in the Quran, brother, tooth for a tooth and an eye for an eye? Yeah. All I want is my heart. When they got married, the sheikh came and her family, and let's start with the Fatiha. Why? Because it's the opening of the Quran.
People, that is what? Lick up mankind. No love in family. No love in family, people. They will lick up. No love in family. No love with children. No love in parents. Them is eating that licking up these things. Right? Now I want to show you something here today now. Well, I see my boy there. Yeah, what you say? I don't even want to hear about them again. I don't even want to hear about them again. You realize he gone on holidays? All you realize what happened in this country? All you taking the rich and the people who know people and who know money man and who know this one and who know that one. That's how this country rocking take by. That's how this country rocking take. Anytime you go and talk about a policeman and you talk about this one, this Gary Griffith give man real man promotion, the next policeman give man real promotion, and then could tell you, hey, go and deal with a man for me. Snap your finger and go. All the play all you coming around me now and see all the whole family are drop down. Come around me. The nectar from a flower is the truth. It sweetens up the sour and bitter in it, in a plant. Trinidad and Tobago, the nectar from a flower is like the truth. It's like the truth. It sweetens up the sour and the bitter. Watch that. Children making children. They even growing up. Right? And let me tell you who encouraging that. Some parents. Now we're going into this here. 75 verses in the Bible. Now we're going into some things here now. Let me pause it. Let me pause it here. Johanner, I see you commenting too. Right? Watch it here. This shitong, them fooling people in NASA and the Bible and everything say the earth flat. And not a no ball spinning, nice shit. Why they can't show we are wrong the camera? Why they can't show we up in the air backward same? Why did they show we there and had a photo shot with the world day? Eh? Why they can't go down some more? If this sea here, so then underneath the sea go fall down, the ball in gravity, the line fall by, and NASA taking millions of dollars, and when we jamming them top text, they deleting the text by. They deleting the text. Watch what you on that send for me. Watch. That's how the world is wrong. When you go certain place, the place upside down like that. When a plane jumping off a spinning ball, if a ball spinning 1,000 miles per hour so, and it's spinning 1,000 miles per hour, and a plane coming up the ball and going back to land and a ball was spinning, the plane go mash up by the freaking earth, not wrong by the lion fall by. NASA thieving all of their money and saying they can put a man on the moon, but they can't figure out the human mind. It is easier to spend billions, put a man NASA them, could spend millions of dollars to send man in the moon, but they can't figure out the human mind. And all the NASA them has Proverbs 1 that all God creation adore God heavenly glory. All the NASA people in the graveyard, they have that Proverbs 1, 2, they have it in the graveyard. But watch now. People all love to drink, all love to party, all love to hear Charles Marshall, all like to hear Marshall Montano, all like to hear them fellas them. And we had to beg them fellas them for 2 years to give Trinidad something. Marshall had no come. People had to talk to Marshall and beg Marshall to get a laptop for the children them. Eh? Or they like Marshall, or they like Ravi B, or they like Nisha B, or they like copycats. Eh? Or they like that, or they like the gun bullers and them, Prince Swami and all them gun song and thing. Alright, Trinidad and Tobago. If all they love that, I want to tell you something here today. Then it's all to blame. Because all you can't give up the world. What's about this world having it, all you are willing to give it up. All you are attached to the world. Because all you can't do without certain things. I realize the country grieving. The country grieving for party. They grieving for a beach. When time to go in the beach to offer something, they are going. I hear Ian Allen say take the. When I come out and tell the people and them in the beach, when they happen to put mask in the beach, they're going to lock up your ass because you can't go and bathe in the water with a mask face on. So as you walk on the land, you have to put on a mask. All you think what's going on, but Ian Allen, all you late by. Ragu, all the late by. All the activists, all the late. Thanks by God, thanks. And I don't want nothing from nobody. Right? Chinese woman, the 2 children and them, and they promise them and say that the Chinese woman will send them 2 laptops for you. The children will keep calling me. I ain't really get no laptop from the Chinese woman. And I tell she tonight that don't worry, no hate and thing. Let's see about 3 people and them. My program going to raise it up. I working. I go get my little pay. I go take a 500 from here. I go take 100 there. I go ask a friend here, ask a friend there, and ask people who love me, who love my program, who willing to give it a good heart and willing to give willingly. I go ask them. So public that locked on my page is a different page from today on. My page depends on nobody for nothing. My page don't give a damn about nobody. When I say, I talking straightforward. Because when time I was going through my problem and I needed help on this Facebook and I needed people to stand up for me, I didn't see nobody. When I in jail, me see nobody. Spending 4 and 5 days, me see nobody. When I hungry, me see nobody. When I was catching my ass and going through the problems I go through before I rise on top, me see nobody. But don't get no harass. People all are going to see me. So before I go, boss the next tune again and I'm going to go.
King Bon mad. Let's now we going mad.
Eti. Let the public know. You call your brother an X by Y. And when you come, my daughter, give $145. We are shame Eti. You don't shame it God. Let the public know that when you come by me, I say daughter, she say yeah daddy. I say give this lady them something to go make some grocery. So when they get paid, alright, she say and she give them it. Right? My daughter top up all in the mall all about. I take time off and I do something that's what I was grieving for.
Oh yeah, race. killing, power, money, fame, the roads, the water, hungry unemployment with the money spent. Lotto rig, propaganda in health. Everybody now want to throw in the belt. Only gods know your pain, how you felt. Take this and what can they buy the media? Money talks, me say bullshit walks. And when you see God come and destroy the earth, then we go see what life really worth. Baphomet quote verse Hop Puja. The unrulies only killing Rasta. Everybody taking, stealing what they want. Only time to tell them all them on mad. Look how they destroying Trinidad. Politician, now we going mad. Look how they destroying Trinidad. Tax people money only wasting, and the poor people them keep suffering. Politician, now we going mad. Look how they destroying.
People don't have, I have, boy.
Hey.
I know what I have.
The money you have, it can't buy life. You see what you have, it goes to your wife. Insurance, auto, the big car dealer. Don't in cremation site but you're blazing in fire. Senior policeman walking round the clock. Some of them take bribe, look they lost their work. Two of them only horning each other. One kill, one in Grand Bazaar. A politician went in Venezuela. See him wine.
I know it's even on the Venezuela here.
Politician looking brave and
so tonight, know who all is. Tonight it's about that.
He wine.
It's not about
hugging up the pop you fine. And
not about what
come, I know he will be drunk.
Yeah.
I sure I'm telling you he hugging up a something mad. Look how they're destroying.
It's not about what you can get and what you have. It's knowing who you are. And that's what come and want to let you know. Every my work is to be filled of men, to let all you know who you are.
Look how they're destroying Trinidad.
So nice talking to all you.
People money only wasting, and the poor people them keep suffering. Hey, you don't know this is what I'm on. Race, politics, sports and religion, it destroy mankind. That is why they say the number one thing is hungriness and death. And I try to come to help that. You don't know.
Bye bye. Love all you. Don't know what man was here. Later.